Hey, this is Ihab, and in this video I am going to talk about IES or Photometric Lights. IES stands for Illuminating Engineering Society. To apply photometric or IES lights in Arnold, you would go into the Arnold tab, you go to the lights, and then you would find Photometric Lights, and that is going to create photometric light for you. And then simply you would go into the photometry file, you go into the destination, and you plug in the photometric light that you want. The convenient and superb thing about the photometric lights is that they are easy to find, they are super realistic, and they can make your scene effortlessly look so good. In this very simple example, I have a cube and I have imported one IES light into it, and here is my camera rendering this scene. What I did with these lights is that you can notice here that I changed the color temperature for each one of them, and I started with light that has 1K and I ended with a light that has 12K kelvins, and this is the result. I also applied the gold preset material in Arnold. So how do we get photometric lights, and also are there some things or practices that we can do that makes our work or workflow with photometric light to be a little bit more convenient or effective or efficient maybe? And for that reason, I'm sharing with you this video where I'm going to be providing downloadable content that they are free online, and I collected them in a Google document. And also I am providing a link to a pretty awesome software that allows you to take a look at the photometry light, because one of the inconvenient things about photometry light is that sometimes you go to websites and they don't have visualization of the light, so you would have to kind of test out the lights in order for you to find the ones that you really like. So here's my Google document, and I am going to start with this one. So Lamp is one of the brands for lighting, and you can simply just go to their website, and if you want to install one of these lights and you want to make a 3D pre-visualization of what your house or apartment looks like. So this is the one that I used for this one, and you can see it's making a really nice filling light, but nothing with a specific pattern that you can see. So let's say you like this one. So this website would give you some sort of visualization of what the light looks like, and then you can go down and look for different colors and whatsoever, but at the very end you can see in the downloads you have multiple options, and IES is the one that you want to go with. For the second link that I have currently here, I have a whole bunch of them, but the problem with this one is that there's no pre-visualization. It's still great that we have them, but it's kind of time consuming. So for that reason, if you click here in this website, you will find these examples of photometric lights, and they would have resources here including Philips, which I think I provided on the document. But most importantly, the reason why I really like this resource is that if you go here and you download this file, it would give you this software. If you click on download, you click on download again. Here's the zipped file, copy it into this folder, double click. So this is going to allow you to take a look at your IES files without really worrying about like opening the 3D software that you use, such as Maya, and then plugging them into the photometry light and then seeing what it looks like, changing the intensity whatsoever. This is a pretty convenient software. So here's my folder. I can choose whichever light that I want, and it would give you these mathematical information that many artists may not really care about. You can simply just go here, click on this one. We have this beautiful visualization of it. It can change the brightness. It also changes the zoom. Also the distance of the photometry light from the wall. So if it's really close or far. You can change the color from here, and you can save that render if you like as an image. So with that said, I'm going to share the link of this document on the description of this video, so hopefully others can benefit from this document. And with that said, I hope this was helpful.